buntag mga kapuso ato makauban ang giila isip Best Director sa 2021 Mindanao Film Festival sa iyang pelikula nga Out. Busa mga kapuso, it's our privilege nga makauban nato si Miss Claire Montilla Amora. Good morning Ma'am Claire ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta po?
Hello, may buntag mga kapuso, and thank you so much for having me here. Unfortunately, I'm here in Cebu and I'm struggling to catch a signal, but everything is fine.
By the way, congratulations di ay ma'am sa imong kadaugan isip Best Director sa gipahigayon nga Mindanao Film Festival. Can you share to us kanusa nagsugod imong hilig sa pelikula?
So I started making films when I was around 11 or 12 years old. The cast and crew before were my playmates, mga silingan rasad. And in fact, I uploaded my very first film on YouTube. And right now, it's still up there. So my father owned a camera before. He also loves to document memories. So that's where I started playing with the camera and be the director / cinematographer of my playmates. So yeah, my love in filmmaking really started at a very young age. And when I got into high school, that's where I started joining competitions.
So ma'am, let's talk about your film nga Out. Asa ba kini inspired ug unsa ang istorya niini?
Okay, so Out, meaning gawas, kung sa Bisaya pa, is set in a post-apocalyptic world. There is an ongoing pandemic in the Philippines. It is a world where diseases have become treatment-resistant, vaccines have failed, and the masses have been wiped out. The pandemic has been going on for 10 years, and the survivors aren't allowed to go outside. And then this girl named Isila, who hasn't been outside for a decade, tries to celebrate her sister's birthday despite the situation, but only to find out that she has been living a life full of denial. So that's the story of Out.
So is it your first time nga makasalmot sa mga susamang dagko nga film festival?
No, in fact, this is my third time joining Mindanao Film Festival. I was 17, the first time I went to Davao to represent my film. It was still face-to-face back then, makamingaw jud. And after that, I started joining other festivals like Cinema Region and such.
So, syempre, you have worked with a team. Unsa ba ang struggle sa paghimo og pelikula, especially this pandemic?
Yes, I'm really thankful to my team, Isila, Brand, and Vivian, and to the mentors in the Typhoon Workshop. Without them, I'm not here. I struggled in the writing process because back then, only the people with quarantine passes can go outside. So I needed to create and write a story within the house. The production design is also challenging because of limited resources and the complexity of the setting. But my team and I used these challenges as the strength of the film. And right now, I'm just so glad that we finally pulled it off and all the hard work is paid.
So karon ma'am, nakabut na gyud nimo ang imuhang kalampusan. What's your next plan? Imo bang ipursu kining passion sa filmmaking?
Yes, I will never stop making or learning films. Because for me, the films that I create is also part of me and is also my life. And I will never stop doing what makes me happy.
Okay, so thank you very much po, Ma'am Claire Montilla Amora, sa time nga gihatag nimo sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kudos po and congratulations.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.